So Landon is going to attempt to like run through all the birds right now. As you can see, I don't know if you can see them or not, there's like a ton of birds over there. He's going to like run through all of them.
Hey,
so
let's go around on the outside.
He says, what'd you say?
We're going to go around the outside and then cut in through the middle.
Okay. He's rolling up his jeans.
Lots of people coming.
Okay, see all the birds? Poor guys. He's about to run through all of them. Landon, which angle are you going from?
What?
Just go through this way. Okay. He said if they start attacking me, Jason, you need to save me. Okay. Come on, Landon! Oh, what if they attacked me? That wasn't as like crazy as I thought it was gonna be, but there they go. Look at them. Oh my gosh, she's nuts. Some of them moved, some of them kind of didn't. That's all for running through the birds.
Landon, Huey, just train out for lifeguard. Make sure everybody's safe around.